Assalamu alaikum first year economics students. In today's class we will discuss the topic of change in demand, or we can also call it as shift in demand curve. So first of all students, we are going to discuss why shift in demand curve happens. Beta, always remember that shift in demand curve is due to the reason of change in the factors other than price. If the factors other than price, if the variable other than price changes, it will cause change in demand, or we can also say it as shift in demand curve. And furthermore, students also remember that in order to understand the concept of shift in demand curve, we will take price as constant. We will not change the factor of price, and in this way we will understand the concept. Furthermore, if we talk about what are the factors other than price, these include the income of consumer, population of consumers, taste and fashion which a consumer is having, and effects on advertisement on consumers, and prices of related products. Okay students, now we are discussing the concept of rightward shift in demand curve. Students, as we have discussed that shift in demand curve is always caused by factors other than price. So when these factors move in a favorable direction, this move or this change in the favorable direction of other factors will cause the demand curve to shift towards its right, or it can also be called as increase in demand. Now the objective is to draw a rightward shift diagram. So the first step is draw a simple demand curve with price on the y-axis and quantity demanded taken on the x-axis. Then I have marked a point on the demand curve, any point you can take, and from this point I have joined it to the x-axis as well as on the y-axis. On the x-axis I have taken quantity demanded as 30 units and the price as 3 rupees. Now we are assuming that the income of the consumer has increased. So due to the increase in the income, which is factor other than price, due to the increase in the income of the consumer, he is willing to purchase more, he is willing to buy more, so the quantity demanded has increased. As the quantity demanded increases on the same price, there is no change in the price, the demand curve will shift from D1 to D2 on the price which is given as 3. So there is a rightward shift in demand curve. Students, we have discussed the rightward shift in demand curve along with the help of diagram. Now we are moving forward towards the concept of leftward shift in demand curve. Leftward shift in demand curve happens when there is an unfavorable movement of factors other than price. These factors, when move in an unfavorable direction, will cause the demand curve to shift towards its left, or we can also name it as decrease in demand. Now students, we are drawing the diagram of leftward shift in demand curve. So I have drawn the diagram of demand curve and labeled x-axis same as before, quantity demanded, and y-axis as price, and I have given quantity demanded as 45 and price as 3 rupees. Now students, for example, if the income of the consumer decreases, when his income decreases, he wants to buy less as he was buying before. So the quantity demanded decreases, but there is no change in price. So the decrease in quantity demanded is caused by the factor other than price, and that factor is income. So this Other factor causes leftward shift in demand curve, or we can also say it as decrease in demand. So the demand curve moves from D1 towards its left to D2, and the quantity demanded is decreased, falls from 45 units to 30 units. So students, this is all about today's lecture, change in demand. If you have any questions, you may ask, and this is my contact number right over here, and thank you for listening.